In this video, we will assemble and connect the clutch supply line. Cut the donor clutch supply hose into 2 approximately equal pieces. You'll use both of these pieces. Install the piece of hose without the clutch fitting onto the reservoir. Fasten it with the donor clamp. Insert the 3/8 tubing left over from the reservoir adapter into the hose. Fasten the hose using a donor clamp, a new constant tension clamp, or an EFI clamp. Do not use a standard worm drive clamp. Push the clutch fitting onto the clutch master cylinder. Then cut the nylon tubing where it overlaps the hose. Insert the tubing into the hose. Then fasten it with a clamp.